What's up, mi gente? Today we're going to be making some jerk chicken noodle soup. Let's follow along. It's really simple. First, we're going to start by cutting up our jerk chicken. I cut mine up into small cubes to make it easier to boil and warm. These are fully cooked. Now we are adding on our vegetable broth onto our boiling water. And next we'll be adding on our extra noodle Lipton bag, and then one that has chicken flavor. And now it's time to put in our sweet peas. I drained my water. And now the cubed jerk chicken. Give it a good stir and allow for it to boil. And now for some chicken bouillon. Give everything a really good stir and allow it to continue to boil and cook down. Look at that. This tastes and smells absolutely amazing. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.